Hello and welcome once again to the Daily Message. In today's first reading for Mass, which comes from the second book of Maccabees, we hear the story of Eleazar. Eleazar is a man of advanced years, and he is a prominent scribe among the Jews. The story is in the context of the time of the Maccabees, in which there was a relative amount of independence or level of independence among the Jewish people, but in which there was also persecution by their enemies. And so Eleazar, along with many others, is forced to eat pork or give up his life. Eleazar, being a good Jew, a faithful Jew, refuses to eat pork. But because Eleazar is so old, uh, his persecutors try to talk him out of going to death. They don't want to see this old man die. So they tell him just to go ahead and bring his own meat, which would be kosher, and to eat that in front of everybody and to trick everybody into believing that he was eating pork. Eleazar refuses to do that. He is faithful to God, he is faithful to his own religious practices, and he prefers death over violating the kosher rules of his time. Now, what I want to call your attention to for just a moment is Eleazar's courage and Eleazar's faithfulness in adhering to the will of God. Not many of us or any of us will ever be called to martyrdom, but we are all called on a daily basis to witness to our faith in the midst of a culture that can sometimes be hostile to that faith. We are called to be faithful to God, to be faithful to the values of our Christian faith, no matter what the consequences may be. The consequences, as I said, will probably not include martyrdom, but we as Eleazar are called to be courageous in giving witness to the love of God and neighbor, which is the hallmark of our Christian faith. Thank you once again for watching, and I hope you have a wonderful day.